By continuing my subject mathematics and statistical computation, my next topic is break-even analysis. In business and economics, to analyze the implication of various pricing and production decisions, certain functions are designed. There are three functions: cost function, revenue function, and profit function. Cost function is further divided into two categories: fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost remains the constant at all the levels of output, and whereas in variable cost it will be vary with output includes such as labor, materials, and promotionals, labor charges, production charges, etc. Total cost function can be calculated by using the formula C of x is equal to f of x plus v of x. C of x is the cost function, f of x is the fixed cost, and v of x is the variable cost. Next, for calculating a revenue function, my formula is R of x is equal to x into P, where x is the number of units and P is the price per unit. Profit function formula is profit is equal to revenue minus cost function. If revenue and cost are equal, then it is said to be a break-even quantity. My first problem is for a manufacturer of a dry cell, the daily cost of production C for a cell is given by C of x is equal to rupees 2.05x plus rupees 550. If the price of a cell is rupees 3, determine the minimum number of cells that must be produced and sold to ensure no loss. The cost function is given by C of x and the revenue function is 3 into x because the price per unit is 3. Profit function is given by P of x is equal to R of x minus C of x. So 3x minus 2.05x minus 550. If I simplify it, I will get the value as 0.95x minus 550. They told that there is no loss. For no loss, the profit function should be greater than or is equal to 0. If I equate this equation with greater than or is equal to 0, I will get my x value as 578.9. We should not tell the dry battery cell in decimal, so I am approximating this. I will get the value as 579 batteries. So for no loss, the company should produce and sell 579 dry cells. My second problem is a book publisher finds that the production cost of a book is rupees 30 and the fixed cost is rupees 25,000. If each is sold at the rate of rupees 50, find the cost function, revenue function, and the minimum number of books to be sold per year in order that there is no loss. Solution: let x be the number of books published and sold in a year. Fixed cost is 25,000 and my variable cost is 30x because we don't know how many books are there. So my total cost is C of x is equal to f of x plus v of x. So 25,000 plus 30x. My revenue function is x into p. Price per book is 50, therefore 50x. Profit function is P of x is equal to R of x minus C of x. So R of x value is 50x minus 25,000 minus 30x. So 50 minus 30 will be 20x minus 25,000. For no loss, I am going to equate this with greater than or is equal to 0. So if I equated this with greater than or is equal to 0, I will get the value as 1250. To ensure no loss, at least 1250 books should be sold in a year. My next problem is a company sells an X tins of talcum powder. At each day, rupees 10 rupee per tin. The cost of manufacturing is 6 and the distributor charges 1. These charges are comes under a variable cost. Daily overhead cost denotes the fixed cost of a company, that is 600 rupees. Determine the profit function and what is the profit when 500 tins are manufactured and sold, and what is the profit when 100 tins are manufactured, and also find the break even point. Here we are going to calculate three problems. So for the profit function, my formula is R of x minus C of x. My R of x is 10x minus 7x minus 600. that is 6 plus 1, that is distributed charge and the production charge. Altogether will give a profit function as 3x minus 600. Instead of x, if I am producing 500 units, then my answer is 900. If I produce 100 tons, I will get the loss of minus 300 rupees. So it is not possible. So instead of getting profit neither profit nor loss, I am going to calculate my break even point by equating with it 0. I will get the value as 200. If I produce 200 units of talcum powder, I will get neither profit nor loss. So the company should produce about 200 units per day. Thank you.